Hey guys, I'm trying to make a Eytys Halo unboxing, and I'm going to show you guys some details on what you got for paying 500 USD. And maybe you can this video will help you to make your purchase decision. Yeah, all right, let's start it. I just got this package like a couple of days ago. And the shipping is really fast. You know, I live in Australia now, and the package is shipped from Sweden. It goes through German, then went in US, then finally got here, Australia. It takes like 5 days or 4 days. It's really fast though. Alright. Wow, such a big box. I don't know if you guys can see because it's my first time doing this kind of video. See, it's some kind of cow, like cow style. This shoes really makes look like, I don't know. So big, huh? Push it away. Okay, you got something like the receipt, and I guess it's a thanks letter. Yeah, okay, it's just a receipt and return. Okay. All right. Box inside the box. I don't know how to start it. Where to start it? Okay. Okay. Alright. There we go. Wow. This shit is so damn big. What the fuck is that? Even bigger, larger than my face. What? This shoes is so big? What the hell? I'm wearing 44 in European size, but this looks like a 60. Fucking like a boat. I don't know if I can wear this. It's almost twice larger than normal shoes. Wait, is this wrong size? No, it's 44. Jesus. It makes you taller for like, how much it? 10 centimeter? 6 centimeter? I don't know. Jesus. See? It's large as fuck. Okay. The reason I'm buying this is just because, you know, I saw some posts on Instagram, like the black one. They are promoting the black one, I think, and I really like black shoes. But the reason is after I saw this white and gray one, I found that it's just too much detail. It's just much more detailed than black one. That's why I'm buying the white one. I think they're promoting the black one. I don't know why, but I just feel like I want the white one. But it's just so big. I never wear this big kind of shoes before. I'm wondering if I hit somebody with these shoes, what gonna be? Am I going to murder someone just by using this fucking thing? I don't know. Alright, that's it, I guess. The shoes and some kind of other stuff. Let's see the shoes inside. I don't know if you guys can see this. You guys maybe want to see some details. Yeah. Looks like a normal shoes, just look so high. No, I mean so big. Everything big. It's heavy actually. It's so heavy. It's makes like it. If you wear this daily, you don't need to go to gym. You can just do like this or just exercise your leg every day. Let's see the details. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. The detail looks good. I really like the lace. so stylish. The logo here. Let's see. You guys want to see the inside? Overall, I think this shoes is looking nice. It's looking big. And it's I think 500 USD for this kind of shoes. This well-made shoes is fair enough. It's not overpriced though. Maybe you guys want to support this new brand, which is Sweeten brand, I think. You guys can buy it. It's pretty stylish. I think it's looking good. I like it. But if you are not tall, I don't think this kind of big shoes is fit for you because it looks really ridiculous large. Ridiculous large, yeah. I'm going to use that word.